Hey everyone, it's Whimsy Journal, and today I have yet another unboxing for you from Chic Sparrow. Hopefully I don't wake up my daughter, but this is the Second Chance A5 size. And I've been opening the cards up first. But this time I'm just gonna, it's a deluxe. Good, I'm glad I got the deluxe. This time I'm just gonna save the card for last. Oh my gosh, I think it's a Darcy. Oh my gosh, it's a Carrie Harrington Violet Darcy. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. My very first Chic Sparrow was a Carrie Harrington Violet, but it's a classic. And I was always kicking myself in the pants because I never got the stitching around it. This is so perfect. Oh my gosh, I can't even explain right now all the feels. Oh my gosh, and this is a deluxe. Oh my gosh, I'm totally gonna move back into here. So I've been getting a bunch of these because I'm trying to decide what to use for One Book July. Holy cow, this is amazing. This brings me back. Having so many memories from my very first one. Oh, this is amazing. I've never had a deluxe Darcy, and I woke up my daughter. So you might hear her in a second, but I've never had a deluxe Darcy. I've always been afraid of the thickness of it. Like I always thought it might be like too thick to handle. And it seems like it is. It's pretty thick. I'm not gonna lie, I can like hardly bend it. But oh, this is gonna be so awesome to break in. Thank you, Chic Sparrow. This like makes me want to buy even more from you, but my husband would not appreciate that. So let's see. Why might this be a second chance? Let's see. Sorry, I'm trying to get that in frame. The label looks good. On my creme, I realized that the label was not stamped properly, and that's probably why. I don't know, there's like a little wrinkling here, but no big deal. This looks great. Like, I have no words. I'm so excited to own this. Okay. And I ordered early enough to get a free nano. And I've never had a nano before. So, we'll see what this is all about. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! This is amazing! Dude, check it out! Yeah, she's definitely awake now. She heard me be excited. Hold on, let me go get her 1 second. This is crazy. Look at that. I am so like excited. Hi everyone, this is my daughter. She likes to play. So she's gonna look what mommy got. I know, she's got an obsession. Okay, now we're gonna open the envelope. You wanna open the envelope for me, baby girl? We'll see what we got. Make sure not to show my address this time. Almost did that once by accident. Well, same little chirpity chirp sticker as my last one. So okay. So I got a Mr. Darcy CH Violet and a Darcy Mayflower. So this is the Darcy Mayflower. Oh my gosh, it's just gorgeous. And my notes were, love Darcy leather, purples and greens, and Lady Catherine. So they got me 2 Darcy leathers. Thank you so much. How amazing. Let's see. I don't know what's wrong with this one either. I seriously think anyone who isn't super into perfection should go for these second chance sales. It's a pretty good discount, and well, it's kind of fun to see what you get. If you really, obviously, if you really know what you want, go ahead and purchase it. But this is such a fun way to get some items that, I don't know, you will fall in love with. Boy. Okay, so I guess I could talk about my old Darcy. Oh, you like it? You like it? You like the purple one, Papa? She'll probably break it, and look, she's already scratching it up. Okay. We can play with something else later. Oh, see, look, it's already getting some love on it from baby. I think most of my followers have kids, so you all know what I'm going through right now with this little one. She's 6 months. Just going to be 6 months on the 29th, actually. So this is my very first Chic Sparrow notebook. And I was in here using a a bullet journal for about 2 years. And then I started watching Allie Brown, and she got me into the B6 Slim. And last November, I ordered a B6 Slim for the first time and moved out of here because, frankly, I got bored with the bullet journaling system. But this is my first love. I didn't roll her. And I know I have 2 ladies in my Darcy collection, this girl and Lady Catherine. But I don't want to take everything out here, but I do want to compare the 2. It's quite large, so I don't know if we'll get everything in frame. And it's super dark in this lighting. It's pretty dark to begin with, really, but I don't know. Here it is in all its glory, just as is. I took really good care of this, even though I threw it in my bag. It didn't end up getting super floppy, but it got all scratched up. I think if I rolled this beauty, it would get really nice and floppy, and I might like it more, just because the pockets do cause it to be pretty stiff. It is pretty stiff, but I think it's workable. And I don't know if it's the patina or what, but this, my Darcy, my original Darcy, is more, I don't know, red, a more red purple. And this is more a true purple. Not really able to see it, but just trust me on this. This is kind of more like a wine color. This is more like, I don't know, what else is purple besides grapes? Just anyway, how cool. I am so excited to create some new memories with this one. This will probably turn into some sort of sketchbook. I've been getting back into painting lately, so it'll be really nice, and I like to paint big, so it'll be really nice to use that for that. Alright, that's about it. That's all I got for you. I've really been loving watching everybody else opening their fun surprises. for this second chance sale, and I think the next one I'll get will probably be a B6 Slim size. And I'm gonna try to ask for what's this called again? Oh, the Mayflower Darcy in a B6 Slim Deluxe. That would just be amazing. I've totally been going for the deluxe options in these second chance sales, just because of the mega discount you get. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed it, and my little guest here, have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.